Hi everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 1.3 in chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Remember to subscribe our Vittal channel. First question. Estimate each of the following using general rule. A 730 plus 998. Here general rule is each factor should be round off to its greatest place. That is here this number having ones, tens, hundreds. Here the greatest place is hundreds. So we should round off to the greatest place 100. So we have to look at the number tens here. Tens is 3. If the numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is less than 5 means we should write the number as it is. That is 0. There's no need to change anything. That is 700. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds is the greatest place. As we are rounding off to the greatest place hundreds, we have to look at the 10th place 9. 10 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If the number is greater than 5, we should add 1 to the previous number. That is 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Here 0, 0. 1000 plus 700, 1700. B sum 796 minus 314. Here estimate means approximate to the value. So we are rounding off to the greatest place as per general rule. Here 796, ones, tens, hundreds. Here we have to look at the tens place as we are rounding off to hundreds. 9 is greater than, that is greater than, that is it is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 0, 0. Here 1, that is less than 5. So as it is we have to write 300. 800 minus 300, that is 500. See sum 12,904 plus 2,888. We have to round off this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. That is thousands. We have to round off this number to the thousands. So we are looking at hundreds place 9. It is greater than 5. So we should add 1 to the previous number. 12 plus 1, 13. 13, 0, 0, 0 plus ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. Here also we have to look at hundreds place. That is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. That is 3000. So 13,000 plus 3,000, 16,000. Here it is 28,292. Here 21,496. This number we have to round off to the thousands place. So tens place we are looking, that is 2. So no need to change anything. 28,000. We are rounding off to this number. Here also hundreds place is 4. So there is no need to change the previous number. That is 21,000. 28,000 minus 21,000, we are getting 7,000. Second question, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. In the previous first sum, it is given as a general rule. General rule means we have to round off to the greatest place. But here they itself given That is, the sum itself given that rounding off to the nearest hundred for rough estimate, and rounding off to the nearest tens means we will get the closer estimate. So we have to do 2 times, that is first nearest hundreds. We are rounding off these numbers to nearest hundreds. That is 439. Here nearest hundred means ones, tens, hundred. We have to look at the tens place, that is 3. So there is no need to change anything. 400 plus ones, tens, hundreds, 100. We are rounding off to the nearest hundred. So 3. So the same number 300. Here also 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here we are this is the hundreds place and this is the tens place. We have to look at the tens place. So 4300. We are adding these numbers. 4300. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, remaining 1, 5000. The same sum, nearest tens means, here we are rounding off to nearest tens. As we are rounding off to nearest tens, we have to look at the ones position. The ones position is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. So what we will get? 440 plus, here first number, ones number is smaller than 5. So no need to add anything. 330 plus, here 7, 7's place, one's place is 7. So we are checking it is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous position. So 20. When we are adding these numbers, 0, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, remaining 1, 5, 90. B sum 1,08,734 minus 47,599. First we are calculating rounding off to nearest hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We are rounding off to nearest 100. So we are looking at tens place. It is 3. So no need to change anything. That is 1,08,700 minus, we are writing 0, 0. No need to add anything in the previous number. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Nearest 100 means we have to look at the tens place. Tens place is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. That is 47,600. We have to minus, subtract these numbers. $61,100. Here nearest tens. Nearest tens means we have to look at the ones place. It is 4. It is smaller than 5. So we are writing 1,08,730 minus, here ones place is greater than 5. So we have to add 0, 1 to the number 9. So if we are adding 1, we will get 0 here, and again the 1 is added to this 5, we will get 600. So subtracting here, we are getting 61,130. Third question. Estimate the following products using general rule. A. 578 into 161. We have to round up to the greatest place, that is hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. The tens, we are looking at the tens place. It is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number, that is 600 into, here also we are having 6. It is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number, that is 200. It is we have to find the product. So multiply means if you are having 2 zeros, so we have to include 4 zeros. 6 2s are 12. That's all. A sum. B sum 5281 into 3491. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have to round off to the thousands place. So we are looking at hundreds place. It is smaller than 5. So no need to change anything. That is 5000 into, here also hundreds place is smaller than 5. So 3000. Totally 6 zeros are there. So we have to add 6 zeros. 5 3s are 15. Multiplication. In multiplication, if you are having zeros, just add the zeros at the end of the factor. Then 1291 into 592. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. We are having 2. So 1000 into ones, tens, hundreds. We are looking at the tens place. It is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number. That is 600. 5 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 6 1 2 1 6. That's all. Next D sum 9250 into 29. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We are looking at the hundreds place, smaller than 5. So 9000 into, here ones, tens. So we are rounding off to the tens place. The ones place is 9. It is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous number, 30. There is 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. 9 3s are 27. That's all. 1.3 is over. Remember to subscribe our Vittal channel. Thank you.